YouTube, what is good, man? It is your boy Professor Brooks back with another live trading video. I'm feeling a little under the weather, man. My throat a little messed up, so I wasn't even gonna do any videos this week. But today is Tuesday, February 17th, and we just found a clean setup. So I'm gonna put my screen recording on real quick, show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, we good. Y'all can see I'm down about 17, 20 bucks, whatever the case is. And yeah, this is the trade. So let me go over this analysis real quick. As you guys can see, we're up 200 EMA, up, everything's up. We're making some higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It's respecting this trend line really nicely. And then we just had finally, for the final confirmation, this large demand push showing me, hey, we're probably heading up. So what I did was, after we seen this nice rejection wick right here, I entered because I didn't want to enter too late. I don't want it to come up here and now I'm chasing it. I don't want to chase. So I just entered it off the rejection wick, which the entry is debatable. I could have waited, but I'm like, you know what? If it's my trade and it does what I think it's gonna do, it doesn't matter. So I have a stop loss below this demand zone, this wick right here, and I'm at TP right up here for about a 1-to-1. So let's see what the trade do, man. As you guys can see, it's pushing against me right now. I'm down 90 bucks. I'm risking like 200 bucks on this trade. So we'll see how it goes, man. I just want to update the channel since I got a clean setup and I don't want to let it go unnoticed. If we lose, we lose. But hey, it is what it is, man. Let's see what happens. I got a sore throat right now, so I really wasn't even trying to record or talk, but for the sake of the trade, man, we gonna do it. If it's my trade, I'm not worried about it. If it does what I think it's gonna do, I'm not worried about it coming against me. If anything, we should come down here, fake people out, act like we're coming down, bounce back up, shoot up, hit TP, we out. But who knows, man? Let's just see what happens. I will update you guys when we get some good movement, hopefully in my favor, but we'll see. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
All right, so we're getting some movement here. So now that you guys see how strong this candle's pushing up, right? We're breaking previous candle. We're about to break this previous candle. When I see a strong push up like this, okay, I don't keep my stop loss here because if it's gonna push up this strong, why is it coming all the way back down? It doesn't make sense. So what I like to do whenever I see a nice push up like this is I'm going to tighten my stop loss below this candle. I'm gonna tighten my stop loss below this candle. I'm gonna show you guys, got the screen recording on. So as you guys can see, that's around 1.364. So we're gonna go 1.36405. We'll go there. And then I'm gonna grab this other one, 1.36405, 406, whatever. All right. So we're pushing up. I tighten my stop losses just in case it wants to push up, fake out the bulls, and then come back to the downside, break my trend line and head down. Like I said, if it's my trade, I know what it's gonna do. My trades work a peculiar way. It's not gonna push up and then push back down. My trades don't do that. So if it does that, it's not my trade. So that's where we're at in the trade right now. I will update you guys when something else juicy happens, man. If you guys are appreciating the live trading video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit whatever button you want to hit, man. I'm just trying to give you guys some education, give you guys some knowledge. I barely can even talk right now, man. My throat is killing me right now, but the setup was too clean, man. It was clean. I like this, man. Look at this candle. Look at that push up. We had a perfect retest with some rejection. I gotta get in. Gotta get in, man. So with that being said, I'll update you guys when we're near take profit. I'm looking to sell profits around somewhere around this resistance zone. I don't know. I'm going to monitor it. That's it. That's the trade. So I'll update you guys in a few minutes. So far, it's only been about 15 minutes. So we're moving kind of quick. It's only been 15 minutes. We'll see where we're at in the next 15 minutes.
All right, so trade update. I did end up closing this trade at break even. I'm gonna screenshot and show you guys the damage for the day. Put that on the screen for y'all. I did end up, I call it break even, but I netted loss 42 bucks and 44 cent. The reason why, let me go over this real quick. The reason why I decided to close at break even is because it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. It wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. If this was my trades move in a very specific way. This would have came up, retest, and you guys see how it's getting bullish right here. Worst case, maybe a little chop, but we would have shot up to the upside pretty fast. This trade, though, however, we had a large, large bearish candle. We had a large bearish candle. We broke this candle, the previous candle, to the downside. So, like, you know what? It came back near my entry point. I just cut it because this is not my trade. What I've come to realize with trading is you want to protect your capital. You don't want to be holding positions that are mediocre, that are not that good. Just cut the trade and move on. You really want to protect your capital. And the more I stay in this game, the more I realize I don't have time to be playing games on these charts, man. I either have an idea and it executes, or it starts moving sideways and choppy and doing the most, and I leave. Even if the trade works out, I don't care because the market has endless and unlimited opportunities. I can just find a better new opportunity tomorrow to execute and actually make me some decent money for the day. And as long as I don't lose money, I'm happy with that. I'm satisfied. So that is the end of the trade. I closed the trade right around this area, and that was it. I'm not gonna re-enter. I'm done. I highly doubt I'll even enter anything else for the day. I'm sure I'm done for the day, man. I'm gonna wait, give it a day. I'm gonna see how the markets look tomorrow, and maybe find some new positions to live stream. So that's it for today, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, all those things, man. And with that being said, keep your capital protected, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.